This is number 4 from the 2025 8th grade math STAAR test. It says which inequality is true. And so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take each of these options that they give us in the answer choices, and I'm going to convert them all to decimals using my calculator. So after I do that, I should get 3.33, 3.16, negative 0.125, negative 0.333. To go from percentage to decimal, I can just move my decimal 2 places to the left and get 1.5. 2 is going to stay the same. And then letter D is already in decimal form, so I'm going to leave it alone. So going through each answer choice, we have 3.33 is less than 3.16, and that is not true. So I'm going to mark out letter A. Letter B says negative 0.125 is less than negative 0.333, and that is not true because negative 0.125 is actually greater because it's closer to 0. So we're going to mark out letter B. Letter C, we have 1.5 is greater than 2. That is not true, so I'm going to mark out letter C. And then letter D says negative 0.07 is greater than negative 0.7. That is true because negative 0.07 is closer to 0 than negative 0.7. And whenever you're comparing two negative numbers, you just look at which one is closer to 0, and that's going to be the greater number. So we're going to go with letter D.